Hello, everybody. I'm Mason Morrell.
I'm Cooper Whitaker.
And I'm Corbin Pywell. Welcome back to the Draftcast.
So for today, we have moved locations.
Last spot we had a couple violations we had to move.
The fire chief didn't like us.
No, he did not.
He said it was a fire hazard.
Paper on the wall or whatever. I don't know. All right, we're coming in with the topics today. So we have Thanksgiving Day food.
Let's go.
We were hoping for that one, low key. Sports moments.
Dude, there's way too many. That's like way too broad.
I'm not going to be able to do this. I do not watch
I know
nothing.
a lot of sports.
And then we have children fictional characters.
Huh?
Right? Is that it?
Like cartoons?
Oh, so so we could do like DreamWorks, that type of thing.
Dude.
So, what do we think?
I say we do that one because there's
What? Wait, well, I feel like. Are we going with like more like Santa down that road?
like
or are
anything
we-
fictional.
I think
Anything
it's just
fictional?
kids,
So
children.
like Disney stuff, like the whole shebang.
Yeah, so you could
Shebang,
do like,
shaboom,
the
boom,
Easter
bang.
Bunny.
Shaboom.
to-
Dude, I feel like, but the
Thanksgiving
Thanksgiving,
food, though.
dude, Thanksgiving could be fun.
I want to personally do sports moments because I'm like I would.
Dude, honestly, like the only sports moment that I thought of would be the I can't even remember his name, but when they hit a grand slam in the World Baseball Classic, that's all I can think of. I don't even know his name. I'm so bad with like names, and I don't think I can do that.
So what are we thinking?
I would say my pick.
I'm good
I
with
say
whatever.
my first pick, go with the Thanksgiving Day, but
I'm
then
thinking
the
Thanksgiving. You
I'll
fun
do,
with it?
I'll do Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving-
I might not do as well, but
All right. Who wants to start?
Well, I mean, you took the dub last time, Mason. So
Well, I think we got to give it to Mr. Cooper over here. He lost, so got to give him the
Goofy guy.
handicap this time. Next time.
so how many picks do we get for?
4 picks. It's the Mount Rushmore.
Four?
So
Oh yeah. Okay. I think number one, it's the turkey. Like it's obvious. Turkey.
That's a
like-
basic. That's a C tier.
see, well,
But
okay.
turkey. That's like. The
See,
big
it's good
thing, though.
depending on who makes it. Sometimes people make it
True.
so dry.
Yeah,
and,
you can
like,
dry it out.
You gotta have like half. Yeah. I'm gonna go with stuffing.
Stuffing for your number.
What? Stuffing's so good. It has turkey in it.
Listen, how you cook the stuffing though is a little
What do you mean?
questionable.
We'll put it in the
a little
oven.
questionable.
Oh no, we put it in the we like put it in a separate pan in the oven.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we don't put it in the turkey.
I mean, there's
Some people do that.
Okay, for my number one, the ham. I'm gonna go with the ham. Just
The
opinion.
ham?
Just yes, I have ham at Thanksgiving. Like we have turkey and then we have ham for like the two options.
I'm gonna go with the homemade mac and cheese.
See, we don't ever have mac and cheese.
We don't have
in
mac
mine.
and
We
cheese.
do. It's delicious.
Okay, so then like what's so good about this mac and cheese? Like, is it like a craft or is it?
No, it's not. It's like homemade, and like my grandma, it's like she does like different types of like she puts like a layer of like when she cooks everything.
Like
right?
breadcrumbs. Like, does she have the crust
Oh,
on
I
it?
like the breadcrumbs.
Yeah, she has like crust, and then each layer is like a different like slice of cheese.
Wait, so how much layers she do?
It's like 2 or 3.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Like, is it like a cheddar? Is it like
like-
provolone?
It's like pepper jack.
Dude,
it's like-
pepper.
Ooh.
Pepper jack mac and
Ooh.
cheese sounds so.
It's like
good.
it's like a bunch of different ones, and it's good.
Okay, I'll give it to that for that number 2 pick. That sounds good.
All right, for my number 2, I'm going with All Reliable. Like, it's at like almost every. Like, if it's not at your Thanksgiving, I feel bad for you. The Hawaiian rolls.
Oh, no.
Hawaiian rolls with butter,
I
dude.
should have.
You could have so many of those.
I
Oh,
should have picked the Hawaiian.
and it has to be the Hawaiian rolls.
Oh,
But I
those
mean,
are
dinner
fine.
rolls in general, but Hawaiian especially is. It's.
Mm. Okay, I guess for my number 2, I didn't think about that one. So, I guess green bean casserole. You guys have that?
See, we do it.
Mm-mm.
Do you
I'm
have
not-
it
I'm
with
not a fan
the?
of
Do you
that.
have it
You
with
don't
like
like
the
that? No.
onion things on top?
Yeah, we got the
Do you-
like the crunchy stuff. in
Yeah.
there, too.
Do you do like mushroom?
Mhm, we have the
okay,
mushroom base.
I'm gonna change your world. We do instead of like the onion things, we take bread and we rip it up and put it in the oven, like make croutons basically. That's what we put on our top. Also, instead of like the mushroom stuff, we put Velveeta cheese in it.
Ooh,
Dude,
ooh,
it
that's
is.
good.
It is. I can't eat any other green bean
What?
casserole because it's so good. I can't do anything else.
So like, do you use any like specific type of bread or just like?
It's just bread. That's all. You just rip up the bread and you like. I think you put it in the oven before, kind of let it dry out, like turn into a crouton, and then you put it on top and then put it in the oven and let it bake. Dude, it's so good. It's oh.
All right, for you.
I don't know. I'm trying to think of like. I bet I'm missing like something big.
I mean, it doesn't have to be necessarily like the food. You can also do the desserts.
Okay, that's kind of. I'm gonna just go with. Might not be everybody's cup of tea, but my family does it. Key lime pie. We have that.
Missed opportunity, pecan pie. Pecan pie is you can't beat it. What are you shaking your head for?
It's not
Pecan
good.
pie is so
It's
good.
not good. Pecan pie's not good.
I want to say like cranberry sauce, but that like doesn't
This
seem
is
like
your last
a good.
pick, right? Right.
No.
No,
This is the
you-
third. This is the third pick.
Wait,
This
no,
this will
is-
be my third because we.
Oh yeah, you started.
Oh yeah, so I'm done. Right?
No, you got one more.
Oh yeah.
You picked turkey, key lime pie, and mac and cheese.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the baseline and say pumpkin pie while we're at
That's
Okay.
pumpkin pie with some Cool Whip.
it.
Okay.
Like, you can't go wrong with that, honestly.
My favorite thing to do is get half of pecan and half of pumpkin. It's just the happy medium of both.
Wait, so do you like mix them together, or do you just like?
No, I eat them separately. It's just you get half a slice of both
Mm-hmm.
instead of one full slice of one.
All right, fourth and final.
I don't even know. Like grilled corn on the cob. That's pretty good.
Do you prefer it grilled or steamed?
I like it grilled.
You like
Grilled
grilled?
good. Yeah. This is kind of like one of the. It's slipped all the way down here. Kind of been flown over. Mashed potatoes and gravy. Dude,
No.
a good mashed potato and gravy. Is,
Okay, so at your like Thanksgiving, do you have the brown gravy or do you have white gravy?
Brown gravy.
Brown.
Okay, I
Brown
also have
gravy is
brown
usually
gravy.
what we do.
We usually make both just because like why
For,
not
like,
have both?
variety.
Yeah, because like you can also just like
Like the country style gravy. Yeah.
Mhm.
Question: Do you like small? Do you like small chunks of potato in your mashed potatoes, or do you like it to be like creamy? And
I like it to be
smooth?
really creamy and
no,
like,
I like it to
I
be
like-
just the same consistency throughout.
See, I like some chunks in there.
You
Kinda
like chunks?
Well, not like cubes of like. I just like like when you're eating, you kind of get like a little potato in there. It's like a little. It's a different.
It's a
texture.
surprise.
Yeah, it's like but it's almost kind of like putting. It's like a similar experience to like putting chips on your sandwich. You know, it's like that extra like crunch that you're not gonna.
hmm
I don't know.
So like, is it like cooked throughout like that little like chunk there, or is it like?
Oh,
kinda
it's
harder
like
than-
it's all cooked potato. It's just like, it's kind of like if you took like a baked potato and just like threw some. If you like kind of
Yeah.
like
Mhm.
just like mix
scrape-
it in.
yeah, and you can. That's kind of what it is.
So then, like, do you use the packets to make the gravy and stuff like that, or do you like just home make it?
I think it depends.
Yeah, it kind of varies. I think on just like time.
hmm
Yeah.
So do you guys like? Do you like prep the meal like day of, or do you like? Is this like a whole week thing?
So
I don't
turkey
even
we
know.
usually do
I just
multiple
eat it.
days before.
Just eat it.
Yeah, turkey we usually do multiple days before, and some of like the other like stuff that you can keep in the fridge, like some of like the side dishes and whatnot, we'll do before. But yeah, it depends on what it is and
Mhm.
how long it takes.
Yeah.
Like pies you're gonna do before and whatnot, but
Hmm.
your
This is
final
my
pick.
last pick, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Final pick.
I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go cranberry sauce.
Okay.
Like just to end it, like you can top it on.
Yeah.
There's
Because there wasn't, because I was thinking, I was like, okay, there's like, we have like this not like strawberry jello, but like we have this jello that also like we have
Oh yeah.
with it. So, what's some odd dishes you have? It seems like you have like some more like different dishes.
We have like a lot of variety. I mean we do like I'm trying to think. Obviously like the mac and cheese we do. We grill our corn. We some years we make Jello, some other years we don't. I don't. Sometimes we do like jalapeno poppers if we really want to.
Do you guys have any honorable mentions? We'll start with Cooper. But what could have been there, but you just didn't get it.
I didn't get it, or just like forgot about it.
Yeah. Or no, just an honorable mention. Like it was almost there, but it just wasn't good enough. Like what was it? If you could have another pick, what would it be?
The jalapeno poppers, probably.
So we have this thing. It's called applesauce salad. I don't know if you've ever had it.
Applesauce salad.
Okay,
That sounds
hear me
interesting.
out. So it's applesauce, right? But you take Red Hots. I don't know. Have you ever had those? Like the little, they're like this big. They're Red Hots. They're like
Like
a
the
cinnamon. It's
tamale?
like a cinnamon. Kind of, but it's a hard candy. And what you do, and I think, I don't remember if we put like marshmallows in there too or something. I don't know. But like,
Oh, that sound like
dude, it's kind of like a cinnamony applesauce. Dude, it's so good.
Have you ever just like sprinkled the cinnamon on like just regular applesauce and done that?
No, I don't. Well, I mean, I've had like cinnamon flavored applesauce. But
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
It's a different taste in like
Okay.
cinnamon applesauce, but it's similar.
Mhm.
It has more I don't know. It's hard to explain without having it, but
Oh.
I really like
I
it.
forgot. My mom makes her like a s'mores dip.
Oh, s'mores dip is
That sounds
so
good.
It's really.
So like, do you use like the graham crackers to like dip and stuff?
Yeah,
or, like,
you take
Yeah.
the graham crackers and you like.
Oh,
you dip
does
You, like,
she use
put-
like a Nutella type thing?
No,
or
you
do you
put
have
no,
to, like,
you take like chunks of chocolate,
Yeah,
you put it on the
you
bottom,
put
and
it
then
on
you
the
put
bottom.
marshmallows on top
And
of
then
it, and
you,
the
like,
marshmallows get toasted.
throw it in the oven.
Oh,
Dude, and it's like
that
all
sounds-
melty. Dude, it's
that sounds
so good.
fire.
It
That
is
sounds
really
fire.
good.
She does like Hershey's, like she has like Hershey's. She does both like the regular and like the cookies and cream one, and she puts it together and she
That's a
smears
game changer.
Nutella on it.
I'm gonna have to
Puts
search this up.
marshmallows on
Low-key.
it.
I'm gonna search this up.
It's delicious.
So for my honorable pick, my grandma makes this thing. It's like a strawberry pretzel dessert. So she'll do like,
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, so,
it's
like,
like
she'll
the
cr-
Jello-y with the cool.
yeah. So she'll like
dude,
crunch up the
oh my
pretzels and like lay them
gosh.
as like a bottom layer, and then she'll like stack it on with like just like a strawberry Jello and then Cool Whip on the top, like type thing. Like a
sounds
thin
Do you have
layer.
like actual chunks of strawberry, like those?
Yes,
Dude,
yes.
that is so good. Oh, I forgot about that.
All right, so for my picks, I had ham, I had pumpkin pie, cranberry sauce, and then what was the last? I
Green bean
forgot.
casserole.
Green bean casserole.
I had turkey, mac and cheese, homemade mac and cheese.
Mashed potatoes, right?
No, I had.
Oh yeah.
He had mashed potatoes. I had.
Oh, you had the rolls.
No, I did.
He had rolls. He had all the good stuff.
I'm just thinking of the good stuff
I
now,
don't even
dog.
grilled corn and then like
Oh yeah, that's right.
Wait, so you had
I don't remember what the
what was
Jalapeno
your,
popper? No, that was your
No.
honorable mention.
your first pick was
turkey,
turkey, and then your second one was
mac and cheese,
mac and cheese, and then it was
something else. I don't remember.
Oh, pies. You had the pie.
yeah. You had,
Oh,
you picked key lime pie.
Key lime pie and then grilled corn.
I had mashed potato. Or my first pick was stuffing. Then I had Hawaiian rolls.
Mm-hmm.
Then I had mashed potatoes and gravy,
Pecan
and then
pie.
pecan pie.
I think.
I think personally,
think
for
what
me, I think I took it.
Low-key, I think you took it with the
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 Hawaiian
rolls,
rolls.
and then you got
Yeah.
the mashed potatoes in there
Dude,
too.
I don't know how mashed potatoes made it all the way, but yeah. Cooper really has a diverse.
He has I
Dude.
kind of want to pull up to his function. He seems like he has some like
Dude,
interesting
you're
stuff.
welcome
like good stuff.
anytime, man.
Okay, question before we end off. Do you like your mom's side of Thanksgiving better or your dad's side of Thanksgiving better? Like this isn't strictly food. This is like everything. Like which is more enjoyable?
I'd say mom's side,
I think my mom's side. I like my mom's side.
just cause like the cooking and like baking stuff like that.
Yeah.
Mom's side tastes better. Dad's side's more creative.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So do you guys have any like? I know this is a little like off topic, but do you guys do any like sports? Like do you guys like do like family
family
football or something like that?
We watch football. We play pickleball sometimes.
What we usually do, we usually play like board games and whatnot.
All right. Well, I think he gets number one. He takes it home, but then I think you get diversity. So I guess I'm
Yeah.
today's biggest loser.
Oh.
You had solid picks. Though.
I had solid picks.
Yeah.
Cranberry
Pumpkin pie,
sauce.
dude. Oh. I don't like cranberry
You
sauce
don't like?
personally.
Cranberry.
It started to grow on me over the years. Like I was like, I don't get it, and then I started putting it on. I was like, I get it now.
I get it. Okay, leftovers from Thanksgiving is so good.
You have to eat. You have to like start eating them though. Otherwise, they
Or
just
else you don't eat them
Yeah.
after like a week.
yeah. Otherwise, it just doesn't look good.
No. But like especially if like we smoke our turkey most of the time. So like after you let it sit in the fridge, the flavor just absorbs even more and it tastes so good after you microwave it. It doesn't sound
You
as
just
good.
nuke
but
it for.
yeah.
Well, all right. I guess that ends off today's episode.
Peace out.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.